Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve this KidMock daily challenge of 27 May 2021. Here this is the function custom to upper. The functional method custom to upper sub 3 argument string from character and to character representing the string value and the lowercase alphabets respectively. The functional method custom to upper must modify the string str by converting the lowercase alphabets that occur between from character and to character in the English alphabet. The both are inclusive, so we have to consider the both H and P also. Here the characters from character always lesser than the to character, that's given as a constraint. Now we have to modify all the characters that are occurring in between H and P. Here K is occurring I, LL also between the HP, Harry Potter, and that's it, this K. So we have to modify this KILLK, kilk. The modified output is all in uppercase except this A and C. Here we have to modify all the characters in between A and M that should contain I, C, M, T, E, S, no, not S, up to S, and then T will be skipped, I will be there, G will be there, and we don't have to worry about the symbols. E, H, and this is. So we have to change all the values to uppercase. Seems like a simple problem. Let's solve this in a programmatical way. First, we have to, like, these are the values they have passed: string, from character, and to character. We have to return a character array. For that, I'm just returning the original value string. Now we have to update the string value, right? For that, I'm going to iterate from 0 till the last character. Here I have used the string len. For that, I have to import a hash include function, which is nothing but string.h. Include h, because this string len function is available in this header string.h. I'm importing that, and this should iterate from 0 to the length of the string with the incrementation of 1. Now I have to check if my string of 5 greater than or equal to that from character. That was inclusive, so I have to include equal to also, and string of I less than or equal to character. I'm a kind of guy who use curly braces in separate line, sorry, same line, and if the given character is smaller one, string of I greater than or equal to small a, and then string of y greater than or less than or equal to z, we have to change those value to uppercase, right? String of I minus equal to 32, because the difference between small a and cap A is 32. Small cap A contains something called 67 or 30 something. Okay, we'll print that. Print of x and backslash and percentage d small a minus caps A. We'll also print that what small and cap A. Percentage D minus percentage D equal to percentage D. This contains small a, cap A, and the difference value. Let's run this program. We didn't get any error. That's kind of unbelievable. I'm passing hello world and from character Z to character Z. We got all the characters are in caps because I have mentioned the condition like that. And here is the ASCII value for small a 97, and here is the ASCII value for caps a 65. The difference is 32. So I have reduced this 32 from the small characters to get upper one. That's it guys, that's it for today's video. Here this is the code you have to worry about. You don't need this. Okay guys, bye. We'll see you soon with something else.